Current mood. The Beast. I love this shirt. Actually ready for winter. Winter's coming, bitches. Okay, so yeah. Hey, how's it going? What's up? What's good? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. She cute. She cute. You getting them vibes, right? Is it her? Or is it Maybelline? Oh, because I didn't use Maybelline. I love Maybelline. I love Maybelline. So I did one half on camera, which is one half off camera, which is this side for my natural look, and I'm gonna do this side as a tutorial. So let's continue with this natural makeup look that I usually do for school if I have time. So first step, I use the Tatcha Silk Base Silk Canvas for like my under eye. So I just take a little like that, put some on my finger, I dab it right in there so that my concealer can sit and not sink into the cracks of my under eye because I have that issue. Next, I use my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to just do my eyebrow, fill it in naturally. Just like that. I don't fill them in. I mean, like, I don't highlight them because it's supposed to look natural, like it's mine. And so then I take this Benefit Bag Out Bang mini eye mascara, and I only use this one for my brows because it's so small and precise. It just gives them like a definition. Okay, so next I do concealer, and I'm using the Jeffree Star concealer in the shade C22. And it matches my skin tone pretty damn well, other than most concealers. So that worked. Now I'm gonna do my powder. It's by Fenty Beauty. I take just a little bit like that, and I dab it on the back of my hand, and then press it into the skin. Because I don't want it to fall into the cracks of my face. I want it to stay where it is. And now I usually set it with like the NYX matte, the NYX Finish Mini Matte. I'll spray the sponge. Fun fact, I got that tip from Jaclyn Hill because she would spray her sponge with Morphe's setting spray. And I like it now. So that's where I got that tip from. Next, I'm gonna use the Morphe bronzer in, well, no, it's called Bronzer, and it's called, this shade is Showmance. And I usually take a little bit on like a fluffy brush. I do that, tap it off, I go right about like that. I take my sponge that has a little bit of this stuff on it, and I dab my face like that. So it doesn't stick out that much like that side. So it's just like, it's not little, it's not too much. So next, I'm going to use the Morphe blush palette. It's 8W, the Warm Master. And I'm going to use MUA, this shade, on a dome kind of brush. from Morphe also. I just tap it a little, take the excess off, and I do this. It gives me like a nice subtle blush. You can't. That's about the color. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette. Morphe brush. This one actually has a number, so it's M501. It's a highlighter brush. It's now my favorite highlighter brush, actually. So I'm just gonna take a little, like a dab, like literally only a little bit. And then this. That's because I can't have my highlighter that blinding, but because I love it when like you can see me from the back row, like all the way back there. But it's cute for like these looks that I do. And yeah. So now you add mascara for like a final touch. Because I don't usually do eyeliner, because then when you have eyeliner on, it kind of looks like you're wearing makeup. So I'm kind of fooling people, trying to at least. So, oh, she probably got a little highlighter on or some blush, but like that looks like her natural skin tone. She take it for her skin. And voila, she's done. This is my natural look every day, kind of. Like when I don't want to look like I'm wearing makeup, but I'm wearing makeup. You know, that kind of like, she's cute without makeup, but like she was a little bit of there. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And so if you like this type of video, I'm going to try to film more of these. And like, ooh, she cute, she giving her a volume. Oh. So if you like this video, I'm sorry I'm off track. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and keep on watching my videos. I hope to see you guys next time on my next video. So bye.